Elon Musk and President Trump have announced plans to lay off federal employees. But did you know that President Trump's proposal to lay off federal workers without congressional approval might be overstepping his authority? Let's dive into why these plans may be blocked by judges. First, federal employees are protected by various laws, like the Civil Service Reform Act of 1978. This act outlines specific procedures for hiring, firing, and laying off federal employees, ensuring due process and just cause for termination. Second, the power to appropriate funds and determine the budget for federal agencies lies with Congress. Large-scale layoffs could be seen as an attempt to circumvent Congress's power of the purse, which could lead to legal challenges based on the separation of powers doctrine, which says Congress has the power to make law, the courts interpret the law, and the president enforces the law. Third, federal employees have the right to appeal adverse employment actions to the Merit Systems Protection Board. This independent agency enforces laws protecting civil service workers from arbitrary or politically motivated actions. If mass layoffs are perceived as politically motivated or not in compliance with established procedures, they could be overturned by the MSPB. Fourth, many federal employees are represented by unions, and their employment terms are governed by collective bargaining agreements. These agreements often include provisions that protect against arbitrary layoffs and require negotiations before any significant workforce reduction. Now finally, any significant changes to federal employment policies must comply with the Administrative Procedures Act, which requires a notice and comment period before new regulations. If the layoffs are implemented without following these procedures, they could be challenged in court as a violation of the APA. These legal protections and processes highlight the complexities and potential obstacles President Trump could face in attempting to lay off federal workers without congressional approval. It's crucial to understand these safeguards to ensure fair treatment for all federal employees. Follow me for more insights on legal issues related to your rights at work.